guys, today we have a really fun partner trick for you guys to try. I've got Carter and Miley here with me. So we are calling this an around the world split. I'm gonna have them turn to the side so you can see their arm placements. So Miley's gonna press off Carter's back. From here, we're going to flip back. She's going to shoot her arms around as fast as she can, and then he's going to control her and lower her down into that split position. Now, it's super important as you flip, you really wanna make sure you're reaching behind so you can grab onto your back, control the landing, and there you go, an around the world split.